Good morning everyone. Welcome to our journey into the worlds of proteins. Today we are diving into the protein databank, a treasure trove of molecular structure that holds the secrets of life itself. In this video, we will explore how to navigate the protein databank to find specific proteins using the example of kinase protein. Let's dive in. Firstly, we start with the search tab. Here you can input keywords, protein names or PDB ID to locate specific proteins. As we search for kinase protein, the database presents a range of options. Kinases are crucial enzymes that modify other proteins by adding phosphate groups. We have chosen 1E8X as our example. Each protein structure in the PDB is assigned a unique code like 1E8X, providing detailed information about its structure. Now, here is the magic. The PDB provides detailed 3D structures of proteins. This model helps scientists understand their shapes, functions, and the interaction at the atomic level. 1E8X kinase protein, like many others in the PDB, holds immense significance in understanding cellular signaling and drug development. Its structure guides scientists in designing targeted therapies for various diseases. Kinase proteins play a pivotal role in cell signaling pathways, regulating crucial cellular functions like growth, metabolism, and division. The protein databank stands as a goldmine of information for researchers, educators, and students worldwide. It's a window into the molecular world, aiding in advancement across various scientific fields. And that wraps up our exploration of the protein databank. Remember, this incredible resource is accessible to anyone curious about the building blocks of life. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and happy learning.